Hello everyone, I'm Vinayak Kopar. In this video, I'm going to show you the isometric projection of combination of cone and the hemisphere. So first we shall look at the problem here. A hemisphere of 40 mm diameter is supported coaxially on the vertex of cone of base diameter 60 mm and axis length 50 mm, and the flat circular face of the hemisphere is facing upside. So draw the isometric projection of combination of solids. So open the solid edge ST7 software. So first we need to construct the cone. So on that cone there is a hemisphere. So take a line command, and base dia they have given as a 60 here. So 60, 30 degree, 60. So next 150 degree, then again 60, it is minus 150, and finally 60, it is minus 30 degree. First we need to connect the horizontal diagonal, and now from this corner, so vertical whatever I have showing now, from this corner, so draw to the midpoint of the opposite line. So switch on the midpoint here, midpoint of the opposite lines, and for this point these two are the opposite lines. Similarly again for this point, these two are the opposite line, draw to the midpoint of those lines. Now go for the arc by center point, zoom the area, this will be the center, this will be the radius, and it has to extend up to this point. Similarly again center, so radius, it has to connect up to this point, again center, so this will be the radius, it has to connect up to this point. And for another thing, so you can just mirror the arc whatever you have drawn. So this is the base of the cone what I have drawn. Now so draw the axis of the cone. So what is the height of the cone they have given? It is 60 mm. Yes, so 60, then 90 vertical line, so which is nothing but the axis of the cone. So you can change the line type to this one. Now from this point to, you need to draw the tangent line to the arcs whatever you have drawn. So again from this point draw the tangent. It is showing a tangent mark here, so you need to switch on the tangent mark here. So that is Intel Sketch. So whenever it shows tangent, so you have to take it here. Now when you look at from this cone from the front side, so some of the lines are visible to you. So select all those lines and you have to darken that one. Again a small portion of this one, and again we need to split here. So split this arc about this point. So similarly split this arc about this point. Now only this portion we need to show it as a darker, because behind that one, so whatever the arc is there, so that is not visible to us here. So this is the cone what I have drawn. So now in the same way we need to construct the hemisphere separately. So hemisphere having a diameter of 40, so again 40, 30, 40, 150, next it is 40 minus 150, then 40, then it is minus 30. Again same way, so draw the horizontal diagonal, again from this point draw the midpoint of the opposite lines. Again so zoom the area, so select the arc by center point, and in this way, so you need to draw the arcs. And for the next one you can just use the mirror command. Yes, this is the top face of the hemisphere whatever you have drawn. Now again go for the arc by center point, this as a center and this as a radius, so we need to draw the arc. So this is the hemisphere now. So now here, so first we need to draw the radius of the hemisphere, which is nothing but 20 mm. So draw 20 mm line here, and this hemisphere you have to block it. Then use the connect command, so this midpoint should command touch with that point. Yes, so this is the actually combination of a cone and a hemisphere, and so you can select here. Now if zoom the area, a small portion of the vertex of the cone is cut here, so that you can trim out here. So now again select all the diagram. So again we need to scale this one, so which is nothing but conversion factor 0.816. Yes, now again one more thing is, so we need to darken whatever that looks from the front. Yes. So this is the complete solution for the given problem. Thank you.